Hello and welcome to the Backyard Machine Shop via our daughter's kitchen in Louisville, Kentucky. What we're doing here today, we're having a party. My daughter don't get to have seafood like we have in Georgia very often, so we kind of brought Georgia to Kentucky for her. And so she's invited several of her friends, and we got a little parade going through right now with kids. So I'm going to take y'all along. Hope y'all enjoy the video and show you what we're doing here cooking this Low Country bowl. So thank you.
Are you taking pictures or video?
I'm videoing.
Oh, hey.
Hey guys, so here's the rest of the show here. If you don't want to be on video, let me know. I'll take you out. Little kids, hey kids.
So then I switched to say hi to camera. Oh, okay, good.
Well, we got some more arriving.
Well, yeah.
Alright everyone, I'm shooting a YouTube video on this.
You're shooting a YouTube video?
Yeah. So if you don't want to be in it, let me know and I'll take it.
Okay.
So,
we love videos.
I have a channel. Mostly I do machine videos.
Okay.
And
I think we're all good.
this is a cooking video. So you can be worldwide, world famous in a little while on this, okay?
Yeah.
So everybody say hi to the camera.
Are you doing it now? Right now?
Oh, it's on.
Oh, wow. Oh my God. Memorial Day.
If you don't want to be in it, I'll put you out blur your face or something. How about that? So if you see the camera floating around, just smile or turn your head. Whatever you want to do.
It's probably the low boil. Hey, Charity.
All right, everyone. I told them in there we're actually shooting YouTube videos today. Okay, so I have a YouTube channel, and most of the work I do is machine work, and I do education machining on YouTube. But today we're gonna do a cooking video. Put me up there with what's her name, Paula Dean and Rachel Ray.
Excellent.
So everybody, if you don't want to be in it, let me know, and I'll go through and take you out and blur your face.
I just want to be in a mid-bite.
Mid-bite. I'm waiting for the.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to be honest too. If you don't like the food, like spit it out.
Yeah. Did you make it?
I'm gonna make it. It ain't made yet. It's coming.
Excellent. I'm Brian.
Hey, Mike waiting. How are you? Mike waiting. How are you doing?
Liam. Nice to meet you. Andrew. Nice to meet you.
We even have our own little bartender here.
Yeah, we do.
What's he making now?
Old fashioned.
What do you make,
He's making more old fashioned. So,
Yeah.
so how do you make old fashioned?
You do bourbon, bitters, orange, and simple syrup, and that's how you get it. It's pretty simple. Yeah. Uh-huh.
I might take one of those.
Yeah? Okay,
We got
great.
enough here? Yeah.
So we're outside now. We've already lit the cooker, and I've got it turned way down because I know that you don't like the sound of the cooker. It kind of dominates the video, so we got it turned way down for right now. And what we're going to start doing, I've shot a video doing this before, but I'm going to update it and kind of show you what all we're doing. So basically, we filled our pot, or about halfway filled our pot with some H2O, and now we're going to add the seasonings. Now the first thing you need salt. And it takes a lot of salt to flavor as much food as going into this dish. So we're going to pour a healthy amount of salt. Now, like with peanuts, when I cook peanuts, we measured it by the box. It ain't quite that salty, but I'd say a good quarter of a box or so. And we want to put in there, we want to give it a little bit of heat to it. So we're going to take some Texas Pete here, and there's not a whole lot in the bottle. Just shake what's left in it. And and then we're going to add a little bit of sriracha, just for some flavor. For the next thing we're going to use, some Old Bay seasoning. Now it really doesn't matter if this Old Bay seasoning is good. This happens to be Old Bay. Savannah, we have our own there. We use the Savannah Bay seasoning. So this is the secret here. You want to be really generous with this product.
You want more boozy or less boozy?
Less boozy. So basically what we do is we add this to it. And then when this thing's cooking and boiling, it'll kind of take your breath away. So that's where you know you got enough. So for right now, we're going to start with that amount. And I'm going to step back here and I'm going to crank up this cooker and get it going. And then we'll get the food going. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, guys. So it's been about 8 or 10 minutes, and we've got our water boiling here. And so the first thing we're going to add is we're going to add the potatoes, and we're going to cook those until they're just about done before we add all the rest of the ingredients. So I think we have here about 10 pounds of potatoes. Again, I've got the temperature cut down, the gas cut down where you can hear me talk. So I'm fixing to jack it back up, get this going again, and we'll catch you on the next ingredient we put in the pot.
Are we allowed to be in the shot?
Yeah, come on. I just put the potatoes on, okay? Potatoes.
Do you do one at a time? Do you do one at a time?
Yeah, I did the potatoes with potato cookies. So, and we're not sure if we're going to have enough room, so we may pull the potatoes out. And put everything else in. So, the shrimp thing's a bit of that. So, the shrimp thing's turn it off. Corn and the sausage thing roughly separated. But basically, we just keep. You know when you got enough seasoning when you can't breathe.
Okay.
When you can't breathe.
We're from Maryland.
Nora, where you going, baby? Nora, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Come here. Hey, baby. Cheese! Hey, say wave to the camera. Hello. You having fun?
What are you doing? What's the matter? They'll let you in. They'll let you come play. Come on. Shoots the water at you. Hey, let's go.
You're a coco. You're a coco. I said that's a microphone.
Hello.
Hello.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Is it wet?
So cold. You're coco.
County, supposed to have the meat is in the hands of the Troubadour County. What do? So if fish boils are spread off and they're okay, blah, blah, blah. A fun way to, well, I need to see what they put in them.
Fish,
That's
I guess.
what we want. See, that's what they do. They do these big, it's like a big extravaganza.
Ah, cool.
And you stand around and watch the fish boil.
I just can't put my hands around full fish.
I
I like
know.
broiled fish, and I like fried
know.
fish, grilled fish. I guess boiled fish would be good too, huh? That sounds like something they'd do at school.
I need to go, let me go find out what.
Do images.
Smart, so smart. You weren't born yesterday.
It's been 50
Door
something
County
years
fish
ago.
boils. Okay, let's do the fish boil recipe. That should tell us. It looks kind of nasty, but it's good. Fish boil, red potatoes, pollock
Okay,
fillets.
gotcha. I guess they hold up during the boiling process?
Yeah, a pound of pollock fillets cut into 3-inch pieces, whitefish, and you can get and pollock is good, inexpensive, easily frozen, and red potatoes and onion. That's it. And then, yeah.
I got a couple. All right, guys. So I built these things about. Chad, how long has it been since I built these? Made these things?
12.
How long y'all been out of school?
We've been out of school 5 years.
So
6 years.
7 years ago. I built these things about 6 years ago for Georgia Southern University when the kids were there. I think he kept a couple of them.
All
They're
right.
holding up pretty good.
Huh? Good catch.
Speed toss at the Low Country Boils.
Hey, most of the time it's just me and her.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's right.
You can still toss frisbee, you know.
Yeah, we can get out there and toss frisbee, but I'm gonna tell you what. I've played tennis with her. I played catch with her. If you want good exercise, do either one because you'll be chasing balls. She can't throw a ball from me to you.
Back, yeah.
They were spread out.
Hello.
That should be.
Yeah,
Back in Maryland, it was like that.
Guys, we got potatoes done. Now, normally we just throw the shrimp and the sausage and the corn in with potatoes, but since we have so much food today, we're going to take the potatoes out. We've actually cooked them completely done, and so they're ready to come out now. And the way you tell, you just take the fork and just poke them. They come through, they're done. We're going to pull them out, go over here and dump them in a pan. Potato out the camera.
Is it gonna like splash at me?
No. So, all right, so guys, we got the potatoes. They're done. I'm talking to the camera now.
You're talking to
Is
him,
that already
yeah.
cooked? I think that was cooked for the kids.
Okay, so anything up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
He's
so
talking to them.
I'm talking to the camera. And what's your name?
Amanda?
Hey, I got Amanda here. She's never saw this done before, so she's gonna help me dump the corn. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook the corn for a few minutes. We're gonna add the sausage, and later on we'll add the shrimp. So she's worried about it splashing. All right, guys. So the next thing, we got the corn boiling, and it's about done. So we got these Roger Wood sausages. Now, Roger Wood is a sausage that's local to us down in Georgia. You can't find them around here, but our daughter loves them, so we brought them to her. So we got probably about 6 or 7 boxes of sausage here. Normally we cook about 2 sausages per person. So, and I think there's 8 to a box. So we're talking about 56 links here. So we're just going to add them. So we're just going to bring that back up to a boil, and the next ingredient we'll add will be the shrimp. And when we add the shrimp, it'll only take a second for it to cook. And I hear some thunder in the background, so maybe we can get this thing done before the rain starts coming in. All right, so we'll add the shrimp.
All right, we on? Yeah. All right, here I am. My name's Brian Chesler. My first Low Country Boil. That's right. At the Hester home. Right in front of me, I got some good sausage, some taters. About to add some shrimp. I got my good friend Amanda Spiro right here. What's up? Have you ever been to a Low Country Boil, Amanda?
No, I have not.
Okay. So, what are you most excited about?
The shrimp.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm going to let Amanda dump the shrimp.
Alright. Are you sure?
Quarters, yeah.
Okay.
Wash off anything.
Oh my, it's heavy.
There's the box.
Do I go now? Do I just
Go
dump
ahead,
it?
just dump them in.
Is it gonna burn me? It's
Not
not
much-
getting out.
The shrimp has to actually come out for it to cook.
This is so great.
Now we got some shrimp in here.
Do you see the
We
shrimp?
are
How big
good
it
to
is?
go.
Look at that.
She was telling me, she said she's like crab, but they always buy them free too.
He said never buy a catfish again.
Don't you what?
Like crab, they always buy them.
Oh, yeah.
You want this one? Both of them? Or you just...
Yeah, let me go back to back to this.
Wow, look, they're
All right,
really
guys, I'm
like...
going to bring you in and get you look at what we got here.
Yeah. Show them folks where it's at.
Yeah,
And I'm about ready to stick my hand there and grab one of those shrimp.
I'll get you one just a
that
minute.
looks so quick. Look at that. It's already like done. The shrimp.
All right, people, it's starting to rain again. I think we're going to have to move everything inside, but the good news is we finished cooking.
All right, we'll have to do it in stages.
All right, so we're going to have to take and pour this out, and I'm going to move the camera over and show you what we're going to do. But yeah, we don't have pots big enough actually to hold this, so we're going to have to do 2 or 3.
Why don't we pull the whole basket out and put the basket in a pan and let them sneak out the basket? Oh my word. Okay, the cake with the corn.
No pour.
Huh?
We'll just pour it out.
You need another pot holder. Let me go get one.
Tell Mandy to come out here.
Good.
They're hot. They're hot. So you might blow it cool off.
You can put it in one of those cans right there. Alright. I'm going to hold this to carry it with.
Hey, that's it. You want to start on this one? Hey man, take my camera and bring it around here.
Yeah?
Or just turn it towards you. Alright, catch all those stickies. Okay, let's get that. Need a pot holder?
Nope.
So you edit this and everything? You go through all of it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I love shrimp.
Here's your, did you already eat it?
Almost.
I think I lost the sausage. We'll have to wash that one off. One at
You guys so cute. Wow. Perfect. I'm bringing one to my mom. Ooh, that's so yummy. They're so big. Yummy.
That's about it. We're gonna move inside now and start eating, and I'm gonna take some video of that too. So hold on.
Got it. Oh, eat with my fingers for everything?
Everything.
Oh, wow.
Everything, baby.
Everything. Even the potato.
Apparently we're supposed to eat with our fingers. Yes, that's the latest word on the street that I've heard.
This works. Eat with your fingers. The potatoes, you put sour cream on it, you'll need a fork. Otherwise, use your fingers. Do not try to be meat.
Sorry.
You can't eat meat with this stuff.
Good.
I don't know if Casey told you, but there's dessert in the kitchen. Somebody made cobbler.
Yes.
Was it blueberry or blackberry?
Blueberry peach.
Blueberry peach. I didn't know the peach was in there. And then there's banana pudding as well.
Wow, that banana pudding looks really good.
I'm eating it now. Y'all are enjoying the country all of that.
I almost went for dessert first myself.
I figured the lime's longer.
What you can get in Savannah?
So good. Haven't had it in 9 months. Been missing it.
Have you this first time for any of you?
I've never had a low country boil. That was
I've had it in Jacksonville.
I've never had none. I love the shrimp as opposed to the whitefish we eat.
Well, yeah, in Jacksonville they did oh, wait, what is it? Scallops.
Should learn how to do this and do this.
Oh yeah, this is
Hey,
amazing.
hey, hey, hey.
Good job.
Hey.
It is great.